Get ready to unlock the secret of tasty crunchy sesame cookie, a magical fusion of chicken stock, pepper and salt. In one bowl, combine flour, baking powder, 5 spice powder, our secret ingredients, caster sugar, and finally brown sugar. Whisk to combine. Now here is where the magic happens. The black sesame seeds add an enchanting contrast, but white ones work wonders too. With our trusty whisks, we blend them into the mix. And guess what? Just one bowl means no fuss and say goodbye to extra dishes. Crack the eggs, beat with a fork and into the bowl it goes. Joining forces with vegetable oil and fragrant sesame oil, which will improve the aroma even more. No butter needed because we care about our health without compromising on flavor. Now comes the fun part. Bring the dough together with both hands. The moment of truth arrives as we retrieve the dough. First, we transform it into adorable round balls, then flattening them into a delightful thin cookie. This cookie will have crinkled edges. If you do not like this rustic look, then just use a butter knife to refine the edges. The power is in your hands to create what you like. Hungry for more? Watch next our famous Emma's cookie video, a treat you would not want to miss. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Happy baking!